made by Mindy G, my very good friend she's responsible for all this madness that you see happening with me. It's all her fault.
Sorry.
So Mindy started with her Glow Forge over a year ago, was it? Or less than a year ago?
No, now it's been over a year. It was a year at the end of March.
Okay, so it's been about a year. Mindy has had a craft business for almost a decade, right? Be careful, I know.
Probably.
We're about to get off our exit. Now I'm recording like a psycho. Anyhow.
Then turn right onto West O'Galley Boulevard toward Dog Track.
Yes, Siri, thank you for
At
that.
the light, turn right onto West O'Galley Boulevard toward Dog Track.
Okay, so quickly, before I forget, so Mindy's had her Glow Forge for less than a year, and now she's upgrading, and today she is getting her MIRA9.
Yay!
So I took it as a perfect excuse to leave the kids with Nana and come and have some girl time with my girl Mindy. So Mindy,
2 miles.
how long have you been waiting for this?
About 3.5 months.
3.5 months for her beautiful big industrial laser. So we're gonna record the process. We'll be there soon. Stay tuned.
Bye, guys.
All right, we're here. Mindy's about to load up her MIRA. You excited?
Oh my God, super excited, nervous.
Nervous? I got you.
Yay!
Yeah. All right, we're gonna load her up.
Let's go.
Hi guys. So they're setting stuff up, and we're famished. And Mindy is like all into keto. I've had the whole spiel.
Kind of keto.
Kind of keto with Mindy. I've had the whole spiel on the drive up. But look at this. She even made me all of. Look, what's this?
This is our little snack bento box where we have some salami and cheese, some wasabi soy almonds, and some cucumbers with cream cheese.
I don't know if I can do wasabi.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can, girl. Yes,
Okay.
you can.
And then what? Look, this is my favorite thing here. Look
These
at
are
this.
our little, in honor of my little Cubanista next to me. I made Cuban sandwiches without the bread.
Ah. She made me a Cuban sandwich.
She gave me a cafecito to repay the favor.
A keto Cuban sandwich. So,
And then we have desserts.
oh, what's this?
Peanut butter chocolate and mint.
You're just spoiling me rotten.
I know,
I love it. Okay, so while they set up, I'm gonna go stuff my
We gotta
face
go eat.
with some keto.
Bye, guys.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I was a little skeptical about a whole Cuban sandwich without no Cuban bread. Like, who does that? But guys, this is delicious. It's like a cheese wrap. It's cheese. It's a cheese wrap.
That's phyllo cheese wrap.
Mm-hmm. I could do this every day. It's really good. Thank you. Okay. Bye, guys. All right, guys. I know you can't look. You have to drive. I'm such a bad influence. Okay. So we're on our way back. We've got Mira in the back, and she just gave me what's a fat bomb? Why do I want a fat bomb, Mindy?
Sorry, I can't look at the camera because when you're eating a low carb, moderate protein diet, you need to have high fats because your body's burning fat as fuel. And if you don't have the fat, it's not going to burn it.
So I want you guys to hear it from Mindy. So Mindy,
Or what?
your experience. So here's the thing. Glow Forge was perfect for Mindy because I remember you telling me that getting a laser like this was like too scary.
It still is a little scary, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
It's a little, because it's definitely a Glow Forge on steroids times 5.
This is true.
But I was very thankful to have had the Glow Forge because A, it made me enough money in less than a year to upgrade and buy a MIRA, and it made me feel comfortable. I have a little bit of a background knowledge, so the Glow Forge was kind of my foundation and my stepping stone to be able to upgrade to a big girl laser.
Look at big girl laser. I love it.
Totally. It's exactly what it is.
Now we have to figure out how to get it in her house.
That's what husbands are for.
Yeah. we'll sit back and have some more of your chocolate, your fat mom.
Yeah, girl.
So when we get enough muscle to get it in the house, I'm gonna show up and record. They're gonna carry it in the house, and I'm gonna be like, "Don't mind me, I'm just recording you."
That's okay.
So, all right. So we'll record the process.
See you guys soon.
Yeah. See you guys soon.
Bye.
So Mindy realized, she's like, "Why is it gonna take so long to get home?" So we've turned around.
43 miles from Orlando.
So now we were gonna get home around. What time were we gonna get home? We're like at least an hour behind now. So I'm not gonna tell my husband, and the only way he's gonna know, and I'm gonna know if he knows, if he watches my video when this
The whole
comes
thing, John,
out.
the whole video.
But by then, the damage will be done, and he won't be mad.
Good luck with that.
All right. On home we go.
Southbound.
Southbound.
Needless to say, we got home late that night, so a few days later, Mindy found herself on Kid Watch while our muscle went ahead and helped move the MIRA into Mindy's craft room.
It's been a couple of days since our awesome road trip.
Yes.
And we have, the MIRA is now in Mindy's room.
How
And
exciting.
yeah. So now we have to do her training. They've got some new videos that they're going to be rolling out, and they've sent them to us, so we get to watch them.
I can't wait.
I know. And then we've got to line the machine, which is probably the most intimidating part, I would say. But it's kind of like Danny Martinez was telling us, it's like learning to change the oil on your car. If you can do that, you're going to have your machine in tip-top shape, and you're not going to have to pay somebody hundreds of dollars every time there's an issue. So
And it'll be good to know, so I'll know how to do it in case it ever gets knocked out of alignment.
there you go. So we're going to go ahead and watch our training and get her first cut, and then we'll be done for today. You ready?
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, so we just watched our training video. We did our alignment, and we're ready to do Mindy's first cut. You ready?
Let's go. I can't believe how fast this is.
How long did a cut like this used to take you?
Probably at least 6 minutes on the glow forge, and I had the plus.
Wow.
So,
We'll see how long it takes now.
oh no, actually, I'm sorry. This was a longer file. This one's longer.
Really? I guess we'll find out. Okay, we're done. You want to get it out?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. How long did that take? That took
Not very long at all.
2 minutes. Nice. Yay!
Wow.
Yay, Mindy!
That's crazy. I cannot believe it.
All right, girl. I gotta go take care of my babies before my husband has a heart attack.
All right.
You got this?
Thanks, John. Yes, I got it. Thank you.
That's all for today, Maker. I hope you had fun with us. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and we'll see you here next time at That Mom with a Laser.